tayo. Nasa kotse na yung device. Doon tayo sa Burol. Doon malakas signal, di ba? Okay, let's go.
Tita Grace, pag nabuo niyo na po ba yung pad, tas nakontak niyo na po yung ibang aliens, alis ka na po agad?
Doy, alam mo, mas mabuti pa siguro talaga na dapat ganito ang mangyari. Kailangan makauwi na siya. Mahirap na eh. Dami nang nakakita sa kanya. Baka mamaya mabuking yung sikreto niya, di ba? Halika na.
Hi!
Venus.
Hello. Hello there.
Anong ginagawa mo rito?
Baby. Well, it's a free day, kaya I thought, why not welcome your balikbayan friend? Or should I say, balikbayan family? Welcome back to the Philippines. This is for you.
Salamat. Pero...
Since matagal ka nawala, I thought, why don't I tour you around?
Venus, salamat dito, ha? Salamat. Pero may lakad kami. Oo.
Ganun ba? Saan kayo pupunta?
Kakain kami. Kakain kami sa labas.
Kakain tayo?
Yes!
Yes, kakain kami sa labas.
Perfect! I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. Samahan ko na lang kayo. I hope you don't mind, Carlos.
Pero Venus, meron
Tara
kami...
na, let's go. My car's just over there.
Meron kaming...
I know this place that has really...
Ikaw, wala ka na gusto? Good? Okay. Okay, we're good. That's all. Thank you.
I heard they have really good bread here. I'm so excited for you to try it.
Oh, okay. Sige, subukan natin yung bread na yan.
So
Ito ba yun?
I'm so sorry, my God. Are you okay, Grace? Let me help you. Oh, no. You know what? Samahan na lang kita sa CR to clean up. Huh? I'll take care of her. Don't you worry. Come on, Grace. Let's go. Come on.
Venus, salamat ha. Bait-bait mo talaga, sinamahan mo pa ako.
Kasi, mabait naman talaga ako. Pero masama akong kaaway. Ay, ayokong kaaway ka. Alam mo, before you arrived, may something na kami ni Carlos.
Something?
What I'm trying to say is na bago ka pumasok sa picture, we had already started dating.
Dating? Paglabas ng dalawang tao na napupunta sa special relationship?
Well, we don't really have a romantic relationship yet. Pero doon pa rin ang punta nun. Kaya matuto kang lumugar. Dahil nauna ako kay Carlos. He is mine.